Hi! Today, I'll be showing you how to book your next amazing vacay at one of SA's top resorts, using your Echo Shares. Once you've logged into the website, click the Book Now button on the top right. Select SA Resorts using Shares. Specify your desired check-in date, the number of nights you wish to stay, as well as the number of adults and children that would be staying, from the relevant drop-down menus. Then, click Search. Now scroll down and select one of the available resorts that you would like to visit. Once you've made your choice, click on the Book Now button at the right of the screen. Choose from the available rooms, shown on the next page. Select the number of units you will need, and click on Add to Booking. On the right-hand side of the screen, we can verify our selection. Scroll down the page and click on Continue to proceed. On the next page, we're able to enhance our stay. This is where we can add a value add-on. As none are available, we click on Continue to proceed to the next step. We are now able to view the full details of the booking, which is the number of bedrooms, the maximum number of people sleeping, arrival and departure dates, as well as the number of shares required. The details of the primary guest will automatically populate. Please remember, a cell phone number is mandatory and must be inserted in. Scroll to the bottom of the page where we can view the share summary and approve the renting of additional shares if required. Once satisfied, scroll down and click on Confirm My Booking to proceed to the final step. Here, you will be presented with a brief summary of your booking. Should the details be in order, click on the Confirm Booking button to complete the booking process. Congratulations, your booking has now been made.